Hello everyone. In today's 5-minute yoga practice, we're going to warm up into our hands and forearms in order to help you prevent wrist pain and wrist tension. So you can get started in any comfortable seated position that you like. We'll just start opening and closing the hands. So really kind of exaggerate this movement, really grabbing the air as you go. And then transform this movement a little bit so that you're flicking water off of your fingers. So really flick, flick, flick. Warming up quite quickly here. This should get tiring after just a few rounds. And then give your hands a little bit of a shake and we'll come to all fours. And once you're there, turn your fingers out. So the right hand faces towards the right, the left fingers are out towards the left. And we'll start to take the body from side to side. Just a swaying motion here. Noticing if there's a little bit more tension in one side or the other. And the next time you're over towards the right, prop the left hand up onto fingertips and really use the right hand to press the mat away. So pressing down through fingertips and through the palm of your hand. And then we'll switch sides. So left hand faces left, propping up onto the fingertips of the right hand, as much weight as possible in this left hand as we press the floor away. And release, really nice. You can face the left fingertips forwards now and we'll spin the right hand around so that the fingertips face towards your right knee. Once you're here, you can bend into that right elbow, lifting up the heel of the hand, and then place it back down. So take that a few times here. Stretching into those fingers on the way up. And let's just take one more and just hold it here for a breath or two. And then take a circle or two with that wrist, shake things off. Plant the right hand down, fingertips facing forwards. Spin the left hand around, facing the back knee, the left knee, and start bending and straightening through that left elbow. So taking that a few times, always nice to warm up the hands before any yoga practice or other activity. And then keep the elbow bent, keep the heel lifted, just holding here for just a moment. And wonderful. Set that heel back down, sit back onto your heels, interlace your fingers, and just draw a little bit of a figure 8 here with your wrists, a couple times in each direction. And now let's bring the back of the hands to the mat. So it's up to you how far away from you you place them. The further forward the hands are, the deeper the intensity of the stretch. Using the back of those hands again to kind of push the floor away, maybe even rounding a little bit through the upper back and dropping the chin towards the chest. Wonderful. Let's let that go again. Final stretch for today. Bring your left hand out in front of you with the palm facing left. Bring the right hand on top, so palm to palm, right arm crossed over the left. Bring that clasped fist towards your chest. You could hold here, or you could start to bring the fist away from the body out in front of you. And you should feel a really profound stretch in the forearms and the sides of the wrists. One deep breath in here. And let that go. Really nice. We'll take it to the other side. Now the left hand comes on top, palm to palm, clasp the fingers. Bring the fist towards you, either staying here or going that little bit further. And chances are one side is going to feel pretty funny. Just the nature of the different sides of the body. And slowly coming out of that one, shaking things off. And well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like to follow this up with a more traditional yoga practice, you can find my latest video right here, and I'll also leave a link on screen right here for a short practice for the elbows in case you'd like to keep working on the tension that may be present in your forearms. Have a beautiful rest of your day.